Application of counting in trillions to everyday life. You could be faced with task of working with numbers in their trillions, where you have to convert them from short forms into their full digit form and then perform some arithmetic works with them, like in this example. Example: a big library has 1.8 trillion books. If they receive a donation of 500 billion books, how many books will the library have? In this question, we are told that they have 1.8 trillion books and that they have received a donation of 500 billion books. We want to find out how many books in total they will have, and that is what? An addition. So we perform a sum of 1.8 trillion and 500 billion. It is important to note that they have different place value. In the first case, we have trillion, and in the other, we have billion. So the first thing you do is to write them in their full digits for each of them, and then you perform the sum. So the initial number of books, solution, initial number of books, that is 1.8 trillion. This gives us 1 trillion plus 0.8 trillion. To write this in the full digit form, you write as first 1 trillion. The next number which comes after this decimal point will fall in the next place value. And after trillion, we have what? Billion. So we have 8. But they are always grouped in 3. And since there are no other numbers to work with, we fill the space with zeros. So instead of having just 8 in the billion category, it will be 800 billion. And after billion, we have the million, which will be filled with 3 zeros. Then from million to thousand, and then to ones. Good. That is, initially, this library has 1,800 billion books. Now, the donation. Donated books equal 500 billion. Writing this in full digits would be 500 from billion to million to thousands and then ones. Now that we have these books written in their full digits, we can then go on to perform the sum. So, total books. That would be 1,800,000,000,000 plus. Now, recall that this is in billion, so you cannot write it under the trillion place value. Instead, you move to the billion place value, which is next. So our 500 will start here. Then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now let's close that up and perform the sum. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0, and 0. Same here, 0, 0, and 0. At this point, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Now, 8 plus 5, that will give you 13. So you write 3 and carry the 1. Now, 1 plus 1 will give us 2. Now, group in 3 as we have done here. And we see that the total number of books the library now has is 2,300,000,000,000 books. And that is how it's done. Thank you.